Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can duplicate yourself in Meccha Chameleon. And yes, I know this is the Tanglewood map in Phasmophobia, but basically you'll need to paint your first set of duplicates. First, I keep saying first, but here I'm just painting my first duplicate pink. And basically, okay, I'm just gonna pose, I guess. Sorry, I'm like voice overing everything because I lost the audio. I didn't lose it, but there's just some echoes in my voice. So here I'm just posing. And then to duplicate, hit Q, and that's your your second self, I guess. And then here you can start painting it a different color. You can't, however, paint the first clone of yourself. So you do have to paint it before pressing the Q button. Then you can duplicate it again one more time. And then here you can paint it again. So you'll see at the bottom, there's like these blue diamonds. It's kind of like the recharge timer, like how much you have, how much time you have left for the duplicate to be available, I guess, if you do decide to delete it. I hope you understood that. But basically, if you want to remove everything, you can just press X and it's going to remove all of your duplicates. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!